Hey, it's Sheila Howell with Red One Realty, and I wanted to just share with you the next big topic that I'm going to cover is hobby farms. So there's all different reasons why someone might want to have a hobby farm. Horses, for example, that's the first thing that came to mind. Maybe they want baby donkeys, or not baby donkeys, miniature donkeys, or a vineyard. There's so many different reasons why someone might want a hobby farm, and we really don't hear much about it. So I'm going to start a series on hobby farms and would love your thoughts on, what topics should I cover? Is there a specific area that you want to, cover as far as the geographic area? Is there a certain type of farm that you'd like to learn more about? Would you like to learn more about the lending around having a hobby farm? So anyway, I'm just throwing it out there and would love to get your comments and thoughts, and I will create some series around it. All right, thanks. Everyone, have a beautiful day. It's sunny here today. Still pretty brisk, but it's February in Ohio, so what can you hope for? We have sun. So all right, Sheila Howell, Red One Realty. Have a great day.